Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving into something truly special that could change your daily routine forever. Have you ever wondered why we feel tired or unfocused? It often comes down to small, hidden energy centers in our body. We are going to explore a technique that is simple yet incredibly effective. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more life-changing content. Let's get started with the first key point. Look closely at your hand. This specific area is connected to your overall vitality. Many people overlook this, but once you start applying pressure here, you will notice a difference in your alertness. It's like flipping a switch in your system. If you find this useful, hit the like button right now. It really helps us create more videos for you. Keep following closely as we move to the next important spot on your palm. It is fascinating how connected everything is. Now, let's focus on the second point. This one is crucial for balancing your internal state. Press gently but firmly. You might feel a slight tingling sensation, and that is perfectly normal. This is your body responding to the stimulation. If you are just joining us, make sure to subscribe, as we share secrets here that you won't find anywhere else. We are just getting into the deeper details of this method, so stay tuned for the next step. It is about to get even more interesting. Moving on to the next section. Why does this work? It's all about blood flow and nervous system activation. By targeting these points, you are essentially telling your body to wake up and perform at its best. It's a natural hack for better productivity. Did you know that consistent practice is the key to real results? If you are enjoying this deep dive, please subscribe to our channel. Your support allows us to keep digging for these hidden truths every single day. Let's go deeper. Some might say this is just a placebo, but the results speak for themselves. I have tested this myself, and the shift in focus is undeniable. Remember, you have the power to influence your state at any moment of the day. If you want to master these techniques, hit that subscribe button now so you can keep track of our upcoming tutorials. We are not just talking about theory, we are talking about practical applications that you can use immediately after this video ends. We are almost there. The final step is all about integration. Once you have activated these points, take a deep breath and feel the clarity settling in. It is an amazing feeling, isn't it? If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. I read every single one. And of course, make sure you are subscribed. We have a lot more projects coming your way, and you definitely want to be part of this growing community. Thank you for staying until the very end.